Everything in nature is sort of out to get what you are planting. Parts of the leaves are being chewed. What those are, fungus gnats.
Nematodes, nematodes.
Tiny little worms. Their favorite food is gnats. Go nematode, go nematode.
He's corner biggest.
We might have to get in there and diddle them.
No.
42, Grammy!
42.
Quadrant 3 is done.
I love our farm.
Die.
Meet our prisoners.
So we have encountered another problem. This is the fun thing about being growers.
Oh yeah.
Everything in nature is sort of out to get what you are planting because we are planting things that are tasty. Not just tasty to us, but to other creatures, including bugs. So we've been noticing that some of our zucchini plants are yellowing and developing kind of this spotted sort of look on the leaves. There's a really good example right there of one that is suffering, and I've cut off, from advice and research, cut off other leaves that were seeming to have the same problem. You could also see on some of them, there's another one over there, parts of the leaves are being chewed. And then if you look very closely, there's actual mites right now chilling on the leaves, just on the undersides of the leaves. There's one flying right now. What those are, I've learned, fungus gnats. And they're little tiny flies that like to kind of chill and take nutrients from the plant, eat parts of the plant, but they spread a fungus. You can actually see some white on the leaves. That is a fungus that is being spread by these little jerks. So I consulted with my local farmer friend, and he said that machine could do some serious damage.
Or nemonites.
Yes, which are nematodes.
It's labeled nemonites.
Well, that's the brand name.
I know.
And they are
Nemonites, nematodes.
nematodes.
Not a sponsor of the show yet.
Apparently, these are tiny little worms. It sounds really cute. Shake these granules all over the soil, and these little worms, their favorite food is gnats. Yes. See what it's like? It's like worms.
Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa.
They're like little pellets with worms inside of them.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Hello, little worms.
What's that kind of taste here?
It doesn't really smell
Want to try
like
some
anything.
nematodes? No? Just kidding.
Worms. All right.
All right.
Gotta
I'm
do
gonna spread
shit.
these babies. Baby.
Day that we weren't supposed to be farming, we're totally out here farming, but we really want to protect our crops.
Drunk.
So we're just gonna. Oh, there they
Oh,
go,
no.
little boughs. All right, so baby, we're just gonna evenly spread these all around the soil like salt. Nematodes, do your bidding. This is making me very excited. I feel like we're being very proactive. Wow, look at this fungus growing. Oh, I hate them.
Those little bastards.
Wake up out of your little egg shells, nematodes, and feast. Feast on the gnats
Come to
that
life.
come to spread the fungus
Yes.
in my fields. Feast! Feast!
Go, nematode, go.
Go, nematode, go! Go, nematode, go! Nematode,
Go,
go, nematode, nematode, go, 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 go. Yo, is the nematode gonna eat the gnats growing in your garden?
Yo.
Is the nematode gonna kill those little stupid gnats? Yo, gotta shake that, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake, shake, shake.
I don't know what you guys are doing, but you're crazy. Yeah.
Shake them out, shake
Come
them
on,
out,
nematodes, go now.
nematode.
Go and eat these gnats. This is fun.
I don't know if
Is there anywhere else we can spread this?
Yeah, the cornfields, but I've got 6 more bottles.
Holy crap.
We have a
Do you
lot
really?
of work to do.
Be free.
Look at how they like the little bounce.
These are crazy.
Yeah, they've been eating my peppers over here.
They're so small.
They're smell. Precious little happy worms.
Oh.
Go nematode, nematode. Go nematode, nematode. No, yes, do your
Oh, it
bidding.
closed.
Eat, go to town and yes, yes. Rain, rain upon you.
The power of nematodes compels you. The power of nematodes compel you.
Yes. Do you think you got this side pretty good? Because I got that side pretty good.
Not nearly enough.
Well, I've got 6 more bottles, but we need those for the front corn.
So we do.
This corner big as
Go nematode, go nematode,
Go,
go nematode, nematode,
go,
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 go, go. Yo, is the nematode gonna eat the gnats growing in your garden?
Yo.
Is the nematode gonna kill those little stupid gnats? Go nematode, go nematode,
Go,
go nematode, nematode,
go,
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 go, go, go, yo. The zucchini are doing really, really, really well. These big flowers are sort of how they pollinate, and hopefully they're pollinating each other. Otherwise, we might have to get in there and diddle them.
Diddle them. No.
They like it.
If they don't like it.
They like
Nobody has ever liked being diddled.
So I have filled up my little planting cups with some good soil, and I'm going to be planting these, which are called Royal Burgundy. They are bush green beans. They don't climb as much. They're kind of a little bit more bushy. I love these because the color is so fun. We both love purple. I've had really good experience with these ones in the past. So there's my green bean seed, and these ones just require to be planted about 1 inch or so into the soil. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop that in with my finger, just like so. And then I'm gonna cover that up with some fresh soil here.
All right, Lana just transplanted 48 purple beans. And once they grow to be about an inch, inch and a half, we're gonna put them in the ground. But until then, we're gonna put these little babies in the nursery. Keep them all nice and hippie.
Yeah. About 2 weeks ago, I think it was about 2 weeks ago, we started our green beans, which are actually going to be the purple variety of green beans, as seedlings in this flat right here. We have a lot. They're looking great, and they very much need to be put into the ground. So
Grown into some beautiful little baby Groots. They're gonna be outgrowing their little boxes soon.
they got pretty darn big, but they really, really need to get into the ground. So
We've been so busy with the weeding that we keep putting this off, but they're literally starting to get a little unhappy. They've been in here too long. Gotta use my delicate man hands and not completely kill them. Yeah.
pinch that bottom.
Get out. Yeah.
Do it. Do it.
Get out of there.
Do it.
Yeah. Okay. Whew. I did it. Godspeed, little one.
Here we go. First baby Groot in the ground. Grow well, purple green bean. We will eat you.
Grow well, you. So as you all know by now, I'm learning as we go along. We had to look up how far these green beans like to be planted from each other. It turns out they like to be planted 3 inches apart in rows, and then when we start our second row, 18 inches apart. So we're gonna get on that right now, and we'll show you the after. Okay, we did a pretty good job, my love.
42 green beans.
42! Hell yeah. That was a great, baby. Good job. Good work, us.
Time to weed.
Did you find something, baby?
Yeah. Would you like to see our first baby cucumber?
We got a baby cucumber?
It's a baby.
What?
It's a baby.
First one? Where's he at? Oh, there he is.
This is your baby cucumber.
That's so small.
He's this very happy guy. He's like wearing a hat.
He's adorable. Wow.
I hope you grow big
We're cucumber owners.
so that we can eat you.
Yeah. We're on to quadrant 3 now.
Quadrant 3. Quadrant 1 and 2 are looking pretty good. We had some crazy wind the other night, and a couple of them got whipped. We might end up with a couple of losses as a result, but I'm not too worried because look how much success we have right now.
Yeah, they look amazing. We did a lot of work thinning them out, as you all saw, and weeding so that they could soak up as much water and nutrients as possible, and they definitely seem very happy about it. So
Taking out little guys, transplanting big ones
Yeah.
to thin it out. Quadrant 2 is coming along. They're smaller than Quadrant 1 because we planted them about 2 weeks after, and now we're 2 weeks later, so that's why we're getting on to number 3.
I do feel like at this point, Quadrant 2 is growing faster than Quadrant 1 is.
Yeah.
Because of the new method that we used while planting the seeds and everything, which we're going to also do for
Yeah.
Quadrant 3 and 4.
It was a lot easier on the body to not mound the corn. And it does seem like Quadrant 2 is getting more water retention as opposed to the mound method, which, you know, the tops of the mounds dry out quickly. I think our farmer friend gave us the correct advice.
He kind of knows what he's doing, doesn't he?
Yeah. Unfortunately, as our life is predominantly weeding nowadays, in order to plant Quadrant 3, we need to weed. You can see over here
This abundance of weeds.
this abundance of weeds, and so we're going to clear that out. I'm actually working on weeding Quadrant 2 right now while Brian tills this up with these, once again, medieval torture tools.
No better
And,
way.
It's going to be a full day, a lot of work on the bodies.
I think we're going to be sore by the end of it.
I know we will be.
Massages are in order.
Yeah.
Calling it already.
I'm making stuffed peppers tonight.
Yeah, you are.
Hell yeah.
Oh, can't wait. Doing it for the
Do
dinner.
it. That'll be in 8 hours.
Oh, yeah.
Baby?
Huh? Oh.
Fancy meeting you here.
Look at that. Give me it.
Quadrant 3 is done.
Quadrant 3. Ew. Oh, you can't see it. But it's gonna look good.
I love you. I love our farm. Wow. It's like tie-dye.
Go nematode, go nematode, go nematode, nematode, go, yo.
The power of nematodes compels you.